Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and let me show you how to enable night mode, eye comfort mode, or simply how to enable the blue light filter. So first of all, let's begin with some customization. So let's find and enter the settings. Now let's tap on the display and scroll down a little to the blue light filter option. If you want to turn it on right now without the customization, just tap on the switcher here. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish. It is in order to filter the blue light. If you want to customize it, just tap on the blue light filter. And here, as you can see, we can change the opacity, the intensity of that feature. It's up to you how you want to set it. I think I will leave it like this. What's more, here we've got the option to turn it on right now, just like it was in the previous settings, or we can turn it on as scheduled. So let's tap here, and as you can see, now we can schedule it from sunset to sunrise, or we can custom it. So after tapping, we've got the start time and end time of this feature. We can tap here and by swiping just choose the one we want to use. Let me turn it on right now. And actually this is the whole customization of the blue light filter. After that, if you want to have much faster access to this feature, simply unroll the top bar. And here we've got the blue light filter option. Now it is obviously turned on. In order to turn it off, just tap on it. And as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state. So that's all. This is how to enable night mode or eye comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.